sounded like an ad for YouTube, but it definitely...
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's in
If you can hear the outside noise, my window is currently open. I'm trying to air out my room. Since I painted my room, I don't think I showed you guys like the outcome of what it looks like. I haven't cleaned properly since I painted my room, so it's been a really big mess over here, and today I think I'm going to try and tackle it and just get everything in their original spot. So let me give you guys an update on my painting job. It was a really fun process to do. I really enjoyed it because I had music playing on my speaker and I felt like a real painter on the job, and it was just really cool, really chill, really difficult. My arms ached a lot. It was an arm workout, but I got it done. But later on during the day, I nearly almost cried because while trying to move my bed back to its position, my brother and I kind of ruined part of my wall. If you notice, I'm always like here and trying not to go the other side because the mistake we made is on the other side, on my left hand side. This is it. And I tried seeing if I could peel it to be a bit flatter, and then I made this huge mess. So it was little like that, and then I peeled it. I don't know what I was thinking. I peeled it and now it's this big mess. I don't know how to fix it. And then the second disaster happened while also moving my bed. I remember saying something about my LED lights, and I didn't want to take them off because I didn't want to have to install it back. Guess what? During the bed moving process, it ripped off. Like it just like ripped off. It ripped off at the connection spot, which is like the most important part of the LED light. And I was just like, oh my goodness, I had to take it down. So I literally just went all the way and like ripped it off, and I also made an indentation up there, but that's not my business. Like, as long as it doesn't bother me, it definitely does not bother me. But this right here is a burden, so I'm going to try and fix it. Maybe not today though, maybe not today, because I have something else that I need to do. Let me show you. I did lay something to protect my floor, but I got paint all over my floor, so it looks very dirty. The paint's just like adding another layer of dirt to my floor. So I'm going to also have to check on how to get rid of all these stains. I could scrape it off, but it would take me forever. I don't want to have to do that, so if there's like any solution other than scraping it off, I would try to do that. And I also got paint on my bed. And for something else that needs to be taken care of, it's this part of my room. To be honest, I'm kind of hungry, so before I start the cleaning process, I'm going to have something to eat. So I'll see you guys in an hour, because I need to eat and I need to digest. Definitely use this today after my shower, so I'm going to leave this on top, but first I'm going to put it here so I don't forget to use this one. This is finally all clean now. Even though I don't like my supplements on my dresser, that's the only place that they can stay for me to remember to take them daily, and even with them being there I still forget. So that's just the best place for me. Maybe when I get more space in this dresser, clear up more of the drawers, then I can put them in the space. But for now, they're going to be there. And this is the part that needs to be taken care of. My bed has somehow become like this once again, so I'll do that again. So I just need to clean up this space and this place, and I'm done. So I was trying to experiment what could get rid of my paint stains on the floor, and a regular bathroom cleaner is working just fine. I have a new sponge here, so this is definitely going to take a while, but as long as it gets the job done.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, you'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
I'm so happy that my room is finally clean. I just have to make sure that it doesn't get as bad as it got. The only thing that's left to clean now is myself, so I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm also going to wash my hair because it needs a refresh for the week. So wash my hair and deep condition my hair because it needs it, and then I'm just going to chill. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys later today because I'm definitely not going to end the video right now, but it's definitely ending today, so maybe at dinner time. See you but see you guys. All I have to say is make sure you read before you use any product, because this is the result of ignorance.
Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.